So we are from VinayTech House and we have two Power BI demo classes. And yesterday was the first demo and today is the second demo. And both the demo documents and videos in this folder. And this folder access you will get if you provide your email ID and mobile number. Second demo underscore self-service BA example. Power BI components self-service BA example. And here you receive all the documents which you needed. So only video is pending and I'll upload the video after the session. This is the first demo part. Last class I covered 20 minutes introduction and 40 minutes. The types of data available, IT applications available, BA applications available, and MS BA versus Power BI I covered. Azure BA not yet covered, but I will cover tomorrow session. And what is Fabric also covered. And Power BI components we haven't covered, and I will cover today. And second demo, 10 minutes, I will take introduction. And next 15 minutes, I will explain Power BI components, concepts, Power BI desktop and requirements, Power BI desktop installation part, and Power BI self-service example part. This part, next 15 minutes I will cover. So demo recap I'm giving, kindly focus. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. Thank you. And more than 15 people called me yesterday. Thank you so much. Even if you have questions, just call me on this number. This is the call timings. And however you need the help, yes, I'll help you in the same way. Classes, method, subject, anything. And working as senior lead consultant, current working employee, basics to advanced training, duration 50 to 60 hours, daily 1 hour is the timing, and my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. And weekly Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you have classes. A class mode online, offline. And institution side, we provide daily live class video for 1.5 years. So you will get a folder like this, I told you. Every batch, we have folders. Everything you will find in the folders. Take 5 p.m. First video onwards, all the videos available sequentially. I already covered 2 projects for them, even resume preparation classes. And live practice also, we do sometimes the live practice videos. Systematically, you will find the training here. Next, communication, WhatsApp and Gmail. Couple of people did a chat with me yesterday. Thank you for that. And still you have any questions? Yes, please do ask. So that shows that you are very passionate about subject and learning. I see 6 to 7 people. They did chat with me. And materials theory provided and practical also provided. FAQs, mock interviews, anyway we will conduct. And tabular cube classes for 1 hour. SQL sessions for 4 hours. Projects, 2 near real-time projects I will cover with multiple case studies. This is my main agenda, main priority. And training objective, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and PL 300 examination. The subject 70 to 80% the current course cover. And you can generate your own reports in work situation from this training. You're a senior manager, you're a non-technical guy, you want to generate your own reports. Yes, this training will help you to do that. And general FAQs. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. And it's a low code component, with graphical interface component. And Power BI, people feel it's a reporting tool, just a business intelligence tool. No, no, no. Power BI is having rock solid opportunities and support to the market. One is technical side, report and BI. Second, data analysis and business analysis side, the number one BA tool, the number one analytical component. And as a data scientist, also Power BI helpful in the reporting side. So multiple areas Power BI helpful for you. And I'm having these batches, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. These are the batches. 7 a.m. I'm going to start now. This is a current batch from tomorrow. Next 2 months, what I'm going to cover. I explained project information is very important. Maximum training institutes won't cover related to project. They just explain the subject, but I will take project environment related subject more and more. And then Power BI subject, cloud and on-premises, both I will cover. Power Apps and Power Automate I will cover for better understanding 2 hours. So this is what I'm going to cover next 2 months. Sir, in detail, I want to see. I already placed the content here. Each topic, how much time I'm going to spend, I mentioned here, you can look into. Each topic, how much time I'm going to spend. And even subtopic, how much I'm going to spend. And our institute majorly covers cloud, and many people don't cover, but 10 hours I will cover. DAX for 10 to 12 hours with good materials. Very good materials, DAX and cloud. And without cloud, no use of learning Power BI. But in the YouTube and many areas, cloud, you will not find it. You will not find cloud, just visualization, visual report generation. But if you look at job description, 50% options, 50% description regarding cloud only nowadays. Why people are not taking cloud? If they take cloud, they need organization accounts, practical accounts, as they cannot provide. First of all, second one, and many people did not work on cloud. That is second reason. But I will give you the accounts. I will help you in practice. 2 years, till 2 years, I'll give you the accounts for cloud. Till 2 years. And institute provides good theory, practical material, daily live class video, and complete practical oriented training. The training is practical oriented except yesterday's session. Resume preparation sessions anyway I will conduct, and you will be having very good interaction with me like yesterday. And WhatsApp group also created. And FAQs discussion takes place. And after every topic, you will get FAQs, every topic in your WhatsApp itself. This is 7 p.m. batch, 7 p.m. October, online, offline, both available. So we have an opportunities group. You guys need to join. Here we will place all the opportunities. So once the topic is completed, you will get an FAQ material like this. And there are many people get got jobs in different organizations. See, we continuously placing opportunities. Yesterday, we received an opportunity for our institute only. As we have some brand in the market, we are getting opportunity. Trained SQL profiles needed. So more than 1,000 people available here. With different opportunities. We keep on posting here whatever we get. Next. So opportunities. Next one. Students also continuous interaction with me, not one, two people. I address everyone's query. See, no pending. And if you are trying in the technical side, below 5 years, these are the technical opportunities available. 90% opportunities, Power BI, this comes under Power BI and SQL. 10% these combinations and individual. 90% this only nowadays. 10% only this. My course suitable for Power BI development side, support side, admin side. These three, my course 100% suitable. But admin side, 90% I'm covering here. 10% not possible because Power BI level, there is a concept called premium capacity. The premium capacity we cannot purchase, so not possible. So 90% admin I'm covering in this course. So technical below 5 years, these are the opportunities you can try. Sir, I'm having more than 5 years. What to do? Yep. No, not talking about overall experience. Power BI more than 5 years experience you have, you can try these opportunities. Power BI modeler, designer, specialist, architect. But if you want to try at least one, two projects, end-to-end knowledge is mandatory. One, two projects end-to-end. Otherwise, you cannot try. But if you want to stay tuned with IT and Power BI or BI side, yes, these are positions available. No need to see back. Till your career ending, you can stay tuned. Very huge demand we have in the market, technically. Business intelligence is never-ending solution. As long as world exists, IT exists, BA needed. And these positions also fixed. Tool might change, but not process. So if you become a BA modeler, BA designer, yes. Till your retirement, you can stay tuned with this. And this is the subject I'm covering in detail. And maximum opportunities with SQL. SQL knowledge is mandatory. I'm concluding from this. My subject is pretty enough. Just follow videos or materials of mine. Pretty enough for any interview and working in real time. Very detailed course. Very good success rate we have. Very good success rate we have. And many successful students, many settled students. But what you need? Patience. Patience is needed to attend all the sessions. And proper practice is required. Read in practice. So nowadays, many people, they are passionate about subject, but they're not learning properly. So they join the course and then go to again YouTube and other areas, bits and pieces they learn. Again, they're joining second term or third term for the courses. Patience is needed, read in practice. Sir, I'm looking for crash course. Yes, we have crash course and the trainer will take 25 to 30 hours, but it is not in detail. That too, the trainers can spend daily 1 to 1.5 hours only. They cannot sit with you for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, etc. And the trainer, if he's sitting 2 hours, 3 hours, means he's a non-working employee. There is no use of it. And no working employee will sit for 2 to 3 hours to take a fast track course or crash course. No working employee. Because many people looking for normal track. If a worthable candidate is available, always he'll look after money. Money comes with more people available with normal track. So all are related. But if you want to finish my classes in fast track way, join for this batch. Take previous batch videos and continue this batch as well as parallelly finish the previous batch videos. Sufficient. And many people, 50% people nowadays, they're taking crash course in my class in this way only. I will provide you the support for the current batch as well as the previous batch videos. In case previous batch videos not much engaging, then anyway you're following the current batch, so you can ask your questions, you can follow slowly. Maybe you're having experience in some other reporting tool, other ETL tool that will give you some speed. That does not mean you will get the subject in Power BI in detail. If you want to try and Power BI or you want to become a very good BI resource, Power BI knowledge is always add on because the latest modern tool. So plan your career properly. And if you need any help, any guidance, don't hesitate to call me. This is my contact number. I appreciate if you would call me, guys. And I request everyone, please provide your email ID, mobile number in case you haven't provided, so that you will get demo video and demo documents. So no need to ask anyone. In the WhatsApp level you receive, as well as this is your folder, drive access you get. In the drive level, you'll find the respective videos. So any questions anyone wants to ask before I start next part? Online people, offline people, anyone wants to ask any question?
ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్ వినయ్ గారు,
ఏంటి?
ఇది ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్ బ్యాచ్ నార్మల్ బ్యాచ్ అండి?
నార్మల్ ట్రాక్ అండి. I don't take fast track, only normal track.
ఓకే అండి.
But we have trainers for fast
ఓకే.
track. And if you discuss with the reception, they will let you know. Or even you can
ఓకే,
ping me so that
థ్యాంక్
I will forward your information to them about fast track.
ఓకే.
But 90% fast track students again joining normal track. That's the reason I'm telling you, take it. In case you really have a requirement to work from tomorrow in an office in Power BI, or next week you need to join and work, you want to get some knowledge, then go for fast track. But still, the trainers needed immediately. If trainers immediately available, then only you can start up. Right, guys, next part. Yesterday I explained about this subject, data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform, and Fabric, this hierarchy. To explain you the content easily and graphically properly, I'm using these screenshots. I'm not typing in a notepad or any other areas. I cannot give you proper subject by typing in the notepad, wordpad, etc. Kindly cooperate and enjoy with these screenshots. So last class I explained how many types of data available, what is data, how many types of IT applications available, BA applications available, what is BA, and Power BI comes under what type of BI, Power Platform, and Microsoft Fabric. So please refer to yesterday's video, yesterday's content here. You will get complete understanding about this. First, you get understanding about IT, IT BA, BA history. Now today's part. Today I'm going to explain first one, reporting. Focus. What is report? I told you last class, which contain visuals and visuals with data and data in graphical presentation. So visual, these are all called visuals. And we call this as a report. But coming to IT level reporting, two types. Very important point, everyone remember, we are entering into subject. We are entering into subject, kindly keep your focus. Reporting types in IT. I'm not talking about Power BI. First one, non-paginated report. So what is a non-paginated? So we will have multiple visuals like this, and data is not divided into multiple pages. See this. So this is called advanced reporting. And tools, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, Tableau desktop, will support this. So if you click 19, 19 information it will show. 18, 18 information it will show. When you click on 18, 18 data everywhere it will show. So here the data is not divided into multiple pages, and this is called advanced reporting and non-paginated reporting. Everyone clear? So this is the beauty of Power BI. Very advanced reporting. But people asked, Microsoft, too much advanced you have, but we need basic reporting also, where all reporting tools support. That is paginated report. Paginated report like this. See, this is one page, 10 records available. If you click next, next 10 records. If you click next, next 10 records. 10 records will be available. That is paginated report. So data is divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. And you have a table of 200 records. Every page level, I need 20 records and 10 pages required. Then this is called paginated reporting, very basic reporting, and maximum reporting people create these kind of reports. And to do this, we require report builder in Power BI level or SSRS level and SQL Server data tools. This is one tool, and many legacy reporting tools also support. So IT level, you may prepare this or this. This is available for the last 30, 40 years, paginated reporting, and the advanced reporting is this. Got clarity? Types of reporting? Good. So normal data and filtered data. Why you explained, sir? Now you will come to know. Power BI components, concepts. And what is Power BI? Before I move into that. Power BI. I told you yesterday very clearly. Definition 1. Adding more power to. Please do not write online, offline people. Just listen to the session. Do not write anything. I'll be sharing the video, material, everything. Adding more power to existing BI. This is Power BI. Definition 2. And I'm talking about Microsoft definition. And I told you, Microsoft having 3 BIs. First one, MSBI. And this is in 2005. Later, Azure BI, 2010. Now, Power BI, 2013. This is from the Microsoft. So the third generation BI from Microsoft is Power BI. Now they define like this. It's a low code, self-service BI application because end-to-end it can do. Low code self-service BI application to generate reports and dashboards from data. So data is the input, Power BI input. Data may be any type, any format, any storage. And output is report or dashboard. This is the output. So Power BI level, you generate reports and dashboards. It's a simple, in simple terms, but it's a low code, self-service, and on-premises and cloud supportive. Your local server, your company servers, even cloud also supported. So definition 1, definition 2. So you generate only this in Power BI, you work on this. And which year announced? Announced July 2013. What about versions? We have versions called monthly updates. So July 2013 to till this month. What is the current month? October 2024. Every month we have an update. Then how many components we have in Power BI? That is the next topic. Power BI components. 8 components we have with 4 concepts. Cloud components. So the people who are interested for cloud. So what do you mean by cloud here? You don't want to keep any report in your storage. You don't want to ask customer to interact with you. In that situation, you can use Microsoft Cloud, and Microsoft Cloud level, you can place the report and customer can interact from the cloud. And you pay for Microsoft as you're using the cloud. Google Drive is a cloud. Google Drive is a cloud. See, we are having 2 TB storage. So Google Drive is a storage cloud. It is storage cloud. We are paying for it every month. We have multiple accounts, we are paying. The same way, Power BI reports also placed in a cloud like this. I'll show you Power BI cloud. This is Power BI cloud. app.powerbi.com, cloud URL. I'll give you the cloud accounts, don't worry. Stay signed in. Cloud means somebody else storage. So this is a URL you're connecting and store. Power BI. And workspace is the area where we place our information, reports, dashboards, etc. From here only sharing possible. So this is one report. So case study 1, 7 p.m. recently started and we completed one case study. Now cloud classes are going on for them. See, this is non-page related reporting. See this? In Hyderabad, how many people joined? Mumbai, how many people joined? Bangalore, and department analysis. Right click, drill through, employee analysis. So cloud level, people can connect and navigate. This is a cloud storage. In case from here you want to share to your customers, click share. Very simple. Who you want to share? VinayTech, one user, Shan. If customer expecting, no, I don't want email report. I need a QR code. File, generate a QR code. You can generate a QR code and share with them. They can scan and see the report. So all these options available only in the cloud level. So don't think cloud means something different and great or complex. It's simple. Connect with this URL with an account. So you will get a workspace area. Workspace is nothing but a folder. In the folder, you will place all the reports and manage it. And this we will discuss for 10 days. In detail knowledge I'll give you. Right. And come to report generation. Here you can generate report. This is a cloud. Here you can generate report, but you cannot implement all features. So we need a report generation component like this. The people who have already gone through YouTube and all, they might come across. This is the component, Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is the component for the report development. And we will move to Power BI cloud. That is called Power BI service. Power BI cloud. From there, we will provide access to customers. Understood, everyone? So first component for development. Second component, moving in the cloud and providing access, sharing everything in the cloud. But while development, 4 concepts required: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. Due to lack of knowledge, some trainers say a Power BI components, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. No. According to Microsoft, these are just concepts, not components. If somewhere you come across these are as components, please ignore. Don't go to such wrong learning. So these are just concepts inside desktop to generate report, because these we never use in the cloud level. So 90% people prefer cloud only. So report development, report sharing. Next 10% people on premises, they're not interested for the cloud. In the situation, reports are desktop. Desktop is available for the on-premises people, and they will move to on-premises server, report server, and move from here, customers will access. So the difference is here, we will install in our local, we will install in our local systems, the software we install. So these people will contact our local systems and bring the data. So we call it as a report server. Wherever the word report server comes into the picture, that indicate on premises, local. Over. Next, other components. Power BI report builder. This is specifically designed for paginated reports. Paginated reports. And Power BI embedding. And this is helpful to keep your reports in the social media, web, blog, etc. Your Power BI reports. Last night I placed it. This is my blog actually. For one of the batch I explained. This is my blog. And here my blog content available. We can show Power BI report here. Yes, I showed practically for them. See, in a blog level, you can place the same Power BI report. Yesterday, complete cloud operation for one of the batch. Luckily, I'm able to show for you. This is my practical strength. See, it's a website or blog. Here also Power BI report as it is, they can operate. The navigation, everything possible. This is called embedding. What do you call it? Embedding. Now, Power BI developer, you want to develop your own visuals. You don't like Power BI visuals like this. These are all Microsoft visuals you don't like and you want to create your own visual. Possible. Power BI developer. Next one, gateway. Uh, yes, gateway is a component which is helpful for you to move your local data to cloud, on-premises data to cloud. You generate a report with Hyderabad data, my local data. Once you move to cloud, you want to bring the fresh data of my system. Compulsory in between gateway is required. What is required? Gateway. Understood? So I developed a report with my local system data. But my local system data cloud, I want to move. Once it move to cloud, then gateway mandatory. What is mandatory? Gateway. So these are the 8 components we have in Power BI. 1, 2, 90% people use this combination. 10% people using nowadays this due to budget and other reasons, security reasons. And this 10 including Power BI report builder, paginated reporting. And especially this component for non-paginated advanced reporting. So what is the advanced reporting component? Power BI desktop, non-paginated advanced reporting component. Kindly ask your questions if anyone having questions. Right. Today, my concept is how to download this, how to install, and viewing a simple example. Simple example. I'm not going to explain complex. Complex example you can see in my YouTube channel in many areas. But I'm going to explain simple example. So this is a Power BI desktop. If you have data like this, it will convert into report or dashboard like this. So this is your data. I want to convert visualize data. This is helpful. Over. And this document is this desktop installation is very simple. OS, RAM, processor, OS, RAM, processor. And this is your data. This is your BA data. And this will do all this process. Like it will first bring the data. This is bringing. The component will bring. If required, it will go for transformation. Transformation means shaping. So bring the data, shape the data, model. If multiple tables available, relationships applied. Security, yes. The securing part it will apply. Finally, graphical presentation. So if you want to construct a house, how do you construct? Foundation, pillar, roof, sidewall. The same way here. It is a fixed process. First time, if you see, you may feel confused, but daily you use the same. You feel bored after 2 days. But Power BI is one of the best and the best reporting application in the market, which can do end-to-end operations. So we call it as a self-service BI. What is self-service? If you go to a hotel or restaurant, we take the token, we go to the counter, we bring our food, and later we will dispose. Everything we do it. That is called self-service. The same way, bringing onward still visual generation, everything it can do. That's a, it can do. That's the reason we call it as a self-service BI. And this is a process. I will show you this implementation now. Any question from anyone? Right. First, desktop. What is desktop? The area where we perform operations graphically. And Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical, Power adding additional features. BA, it will take data. See, here we have three words, Power BI desktop. Power indicate adding features, additional features. BA, which will take data and generate reports or dashboards. Second one, desktop graphical operations area. So more features added, which will generate reports and dashboards in graphical format. That's the meaning of Power BI desktop. I'm sorry, I'm disturbing you again. Please provide your email ID and mobile number if you want to receive today's demo video document. Also, I'm giving my contact number. Call me after this session. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions if you have, or you need clarity, you need guidance anywhere. I'm a friendly trainer. You can call me and ask me. Right. Input to Power BI desktop data, any type, any format, any storage. Output from the desktop. And you will get from the Power BI desktop output as desktop document, which contains report information, data information. Kindly stay tuned till 8:15. Demos till 8:15. Regular class sharp 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Maximum plus or minus 5 minutes. Maximum, but it is sharp.
Hi Vinay, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, please.
So whatever the topics covered in demo classes will be again refreshed in the regular
Yes,
course.
yes, yes, yes. From tomorrow, everything we go in detail from basics.
Okay, whatever we discussed yesterday and today, it will be covered
Yep.
once again, correct?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
So input to Power BI desktop is data. Output from the Power BI desktop is desktop document, which will contain report and data. Requirements, if you want to download and install this, OS Windows 10 or above. If anyone wants to practice today's example, do it. And even I recommend you to practice today's example. Practice today's example and call me if you face issues anywhere during installation or while implementation. If you face any issues, call me. And Windows 10 or above, and few desktop support 8.1 or earlier also. RAM minimum 2 GB RAM required, but 4 GB recommended. And processor speed minimum 1.5 GHz required, 2 GHz recommended. So very normal requirements. And display, landscape, font size, this I will tell you tomorrow session. But one more thing we need to identify, what type of system currently you're working on, 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine. So every machine having type 32 or 64. So you want to identify, go to this, search, sysinfo, system information, click on it. And here you will see Windows 11, Windows system. My system type is 64-bit PC. And here my processor, my RAM, everything you can see in this area. My RAM is 16 GB RAM. My Windows OS is this. So system information will tell you what type of OS, what type of RAM, what type of processor, what type of system type you have. Just identify, accordingly you progress. Done? Now. And if you want to download the software and install it, there are two ways. Google it and download. Very normal. Google it and download the software. And again, two types here. Normal download from the Microsoft Store with Power BI account. This you will see tomorrow. Even you Google it, it will ask you account. Second one, advanced download available, latest one, no account is required, no Power BI account is required. Today, we will see as part of class this example. But in the real time, always recommended the B method. Go to Power BI service, which I open, download from the Power BI service. This is good. Everyone clear? Right. Let me go here. Don't worry, guys. Just open the video, prepare your own running notes. You will feel very happy. Nothing complex trying to explain. So this is your Power BI service. Here there is an option called download. Download Power BI desktop. This is recommended in the real time. Why? That I will explain you tomorrow. Because you require account and all, I will explain you in the confirmation classes. Now, normal download, I will do it. Google it. Power BI desktop download. Download. Click on this. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Always read the definition given by the Microsoft. They keep on changing this. Kindly read it. And see the versions. Definition from Microsoft. System requirement. What are the OS? Normal OS supported. Server OS. In organization, server OS also will have. So these are all the servers it is supporting. And these are all standalone OS, which are laptop, which are desktop containing. Both an installation instruction. And do not ask anyone at any time Power BI software installation. There's only one component we install. Always Google it and get the latest one. Don't ask anyone. And system will guide you properly. What are the requirements you need and how to install. Download. And what type of software I need to download? My machine is 64-bit, so I should download this. This is for 32-bit machine. And it is 545 MB. For very small software. This, if you download, it looks like this. I already downloaded. I'll show you. This is the way downloaded. Now click on any software. And I downloaded multiple, so I'm click on it. Mostly next, finish. In between, it will ask you the C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? And also accept license terms and conditions. So software installation is pretty simple. Hardly 1 to 2 minutes based on your system speed. Once it is done, then go to Power BI desktop, Windows desktop. Here you have Power BI desktop software. And click on it. So this is a main interface. Everyone focus. This is for quick saving.
Sir, for this Power BI desktop, do we have any restriction on the time, like 14 days trial version or something like that? Or
No, forever.
Right. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. No restrictions on this, no license, so no restrictions. because the report, whatever you're preparing here, no use of it without moving to cloud or server. While moving to cloud or server, they will charge from you. Don't worry. So this is undo, redo, title. This is account, cloud account. I mentioned minimize, maximize, closing. Home, you want to develop a report. Yeah, from scratch, you want to develop blank report from scratch. And these are all if you want to use the data and generate a report. From Excel, you want to generate a report. From SQL Server, you want to generate a report, etc. And this is to open the existing reports, already created reports. This is to sign in so that it will sign in like this. There are options and settings I will explain you later, but you want to use R language script in the Power BI, Python language script in the Power BI, or you want to see Power BI content Hindi language or German language, possible in this area. But who install, on which, what time install, at what time content you want to verify about. So very basic options available. I want to do the report from scratch, so I'm clicking Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop clearly visible. This is the interface, guys. Main interface. Some people say self-service interface. And this interface only perform data extraction, data transformation, data modeling, secure, visuals, finally BA data. This interface only. So this is the first, second, third, four, five operations. So this is the first area. You want to bring the data. Second area, transform the data. Third area, model. Fourth area, security. Fifth area, presentation. The same thing if you want to do in other BA tools, you need multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple people. But Power BI, everything we are able to do single area and nearby navigations. Nearby navigations. One time if you practice this report, you remember forever. No complexity. First time if you see, what is this happening? But tomorrow onwards, you feel like, yeah, it's boring part. Hands-on one time needed, guys, to remember all this. That's no problem. Now let me explain other options. So I just explained quick saving, undo, redo, title of the application, account, minimize, maximize, closing. And this is called very brief actually. This is not a detailed session, brief session. I will explain the same screen 1 hour in the regular class, 1 hour, because many options. But due to lack of time, I'm explaining hardly 5 minutes. So this is called menu tabs. And right now, home underline, home options you are able to see. This is called home ribbon. And these are called views, anything you want to see. And this is report view, report information you want to see. And this is table view. And tables data you want to see, data show. This is model view. Table relationships it will show. So visuals you want to see, go to this. Data you want to see, go to this. Relationships you want to see, go to this. And DAX queries you want to run, go to this area. DAX queries area. And this is called report canvas. Report main design area, this area. And these are called panes. And pane manager. So pane nothing but pane containing specific information. Pane contains specific information. So data pane, data information. Report pane, report information. Format pane, formatting information. And filter information. Like this, different types of information available. So here is the place data information you see. And here is a place, visuals. This is the visuals area. Visuals you want to see. What are the visuals you have? And here is the place, formatting. The visual formatting, color, font, etc. you want to apply. Visual format option, simply options area. This is viewing area. This is options area. Simple. These are menu tabs. Report design area. So mobile view suitable you want to take. This is a mobile view, mobile design, report in mobile design. This is a web design, web suitable. And this is page one, and you can create multiple pages. For example, here, withdraw report you are creating, savings account withdraw. Deposit report also you want to take. Deposit report you want to place, you can place plus. One more plus. Demat account reporting you want, demat. Like this multiple. So a few basic options I explained in the screen. Now I will show you the Power BI report implementation. Kindly focus. This is the first area, data extraction. Second area, transformation. Third area, modeling. Fourth area, security. Fifth area, visualization. 5 areas. So I want to develop a report. I want to develop a report by passing through these stages. See, these are the stages. Stages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compulsory stages 1, compulsory stages 5. These two compulsory. 2, 3, 4 optional. If required, you take it, otherwise not required. This will shape it. This will establish relationship. If only one table available, no relationships. Security, if customer expecting, I want to see a particular data, then go to security, otherwise not required. In today's session, 1 I will cover, the data shaping needed. So 2 I will cover, 5 I will cover, 1, 2, 5 I will cover today. 3 and 4 I'm not covering because it will be complex. You want to see, just go to my YouTube channel, see the examples. Fine, sir. This is pretty good. Where is the data? And I will show the data first. This data file also I will give you for your practice. Family expenses data. During lockdown, I prepared this data, the data I'm going to use. So this is the description. This is the heading. Some data available here. Day-wise, amount, reason, area, location. This is my data. I want to generate a report like this. Very basic example. I'm telling it's not a complex example, very basic example to give you the understanding and to tell you the beauty of Power BI. Though you are having a reporting experience, but the way I'm explaining, try to focus. It's really intriguing. So kindly keep your focus on this. Right, first one, get data. I need to bring the data, right? Get data, Excel workbook. Go to this. My Excel workbook I will take. Even if you download it and bring it. It will open like this. Now select this one. One worksheet has data. Yep, this is a worksheet has data. Excel sheet, worksheet. So Power BI desktop level. This is a preview. Click load. There is something called load. First load, where it loads the data, it comes to Power BI side. I did not do anything. I just loaded. Now automatically the data area opened. In case you want to see the data, I told you here data view available. Table view. Click on it. This is a table view. Anything you want to view. Data I want to view, data view. So it is showing me clearly. If you notice this, something is not correct. Actually, this is supposed to be the heading. Am I right? Date, amount, reason, area, location. That means the information is not in proper shape. It is not having shape. Shape indicate column by column data available. Column by column. If data available, that is called shape. But right now, no shape. What to do? Remove this first. Second, make this as column heading. These two, if you do, at least some shape you get. And coming to area location, divide into two parts. Area one part, location another part. So that area analysis possible, location analysis also possible. Shall I? 3. So if you want to make proper shape for this data, 3 operations we have to do. Where do we do? This is the first area completed. Second area, shaping area is 2. So we need to go there. So guys, go to report view, always better. Report visualization view. This is transforming data. Second area, go to transform. Why I'm going for it? Since it's not in proper shape. So I'm clicking transform data. So this is the area where we do all the transformations, and technically we call power query. Query means table. What is query? Table. For your table, power is added. For your table, power is added. This area. How, sir? If you navigate it, there are many options available. 1,000+ transformations available here. Some people say transformation area. Some people say shaping area. Some people say mashup language area. Different people say differently, but simply you have transformations, data changes you want to do, you will do in this area. I'll explain this, don't worry. 10 days we will discuss Power Query, this 10 days. Right. And here, in this area, I decided first one remove, second one heading. Am I right? So click on this corner, remove top rows. Number of rows removal, 1. Okay. And keep this heading. Click on this, use first row as header. Sir, can you do it again? Then I will cancel the previous steps. If you want to cancel, right-hand side, the steps are added if you see this. You want to remove it, remove the previous steps. Now once again, go to this corner, remove top row. You can ask me, how do we remember, sir? With practice only you remember. 1, 2 times if you navigate it, you remember it and work on it. 1. And how do you make this as column heading? Click on this, use first row as header. Then next one, I want to split this into 2 parts. Simple Excel operations I'm doing. 2 parts. So go to this column you want split, right click, split column by a delimiter. Delimiter means separator. By using separator, I would like to separate it. And I will mention custom, it's underscore, and then quote character, no quote character. So split column by delimiter, underscore. Click OK. See guys, underscore is not there. So no split. That means our split is wrong. What is there? 2 hyphens are there. So intentionally I given this. So if you want to split, right click, split column, always give the proper split one, 2 hyphens. Click OK. Now area separated, location separated. So go to this, mention here area. Go to this, mention here location. Done. Area, location completed. So what are the changes you made? You want to save and close. Go to this area, file home menu in this area. Usually in any application, save options in the left hand side. Any application, save options on the left hand side. So go to home. This is for saving the changes. And this is for saving the changes and close. I want to save and close. Done. And I want to see the data. I told you data view. Data view. Which data? This data. A column by column available. Proper shape is available. Yes. So we are done with bringing the data, making it proper shape. Relationships. Go to this. Only one table here. What type of relationship you establish? Meaningless. If you want to relate, at least two tables required. Now, security, it is not part of our agenda today. And I will go for the last part, visualization. This is the area. So I will close. So this visualization I want to do one by one. Let me explain. This is called card visual in Power BI for single value. You want single value, we go to this. So sum of salary, single value, average of salary, so average of amount, single value, maximum amount, minimum amount. Let me give brief understanding. In this area or in this file, I mentioned everyday spending in the lockdown period. 1,000 rupees I spent for the books, Moti Nagar, Hyderabad. This amount I spent for food, Jagadamba Theatre, Vishakhapatnam. Like this, one by one I mentioned. So this is what I'm showing here. Total my spending, average spending, and maximum spending, minimum spending. If I select year, in that year, all these values. Month, in this year and month, all the values. And I also want to compare which reason I spend more money in a particular year. Food I spend more money, at travel I spend more money, or petrol or books. And also in every location, I travel to multiple locations. How much percentage money I spend? Vishakhapatnam 25%, Vijayawada 60%, Hyderabad 40%. So one for comparing, one for composition. I also want to see what are the locations I traveled. And this comes under a visual called a map visual in Power BI. This comes under a visual called Pi visual in Power BI. Visual is a graphical component. And this comes under a bar chart in Power BI. And these are manual filters. Manual filters. So we call them as slices. So today I'll give you understanding about single value presentation visual, filtered visuals, manual filtered visual, mapping visual, and pie chart visual, bar chart visuals. Very basic level, not in detail. The same thing I will explain in the regular class for 4 days because detailed explanation I have to give, but here not possible. Right, go here. Sir, I need a visualizations area. You can minimize it if you don't want it, you can minimize. So if you want a visualizations area, I will clear all because I don't require. I need visualizations. Click on this. Build area, visuals will come. Data you want, data. Formatting, this visuals formatting you want, formatting. This. That's why these are called option panes. Which panes? Option panes. This is to see and this is to options. Always we use this and this. Sometimes we use this. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Now visuals I will take. So 3-step process, guys. Whatever the visual you want to take, first take the visual. Second step, data. It will ask you data here. Filter you don't require. Data. Click fields. What is the data you want? Amount. Amount. So I clicked on it. Sum of amount it is coming. Good. 1, 2. Third one always in the real-time format. So visual you select, data you place, format you do. It's a 3-step process for all visuals. Guys, sorry, and I'm not able to close by 8:15. Kindly stay tuned 10 more minutes. I will close it. No delay. I'll close it, please. So that you can practice a beautiful example today. Maximum 10 minutes. Kindly stay tuned. Now sum of amount, ready. Now second one, I will do the formatting later. Or you want to do it now? Just go here. This is a formatting area. Size and style. This is the area. General options available. I'll take only one option, border, visual border on. This border I have taken. Background you want to take. Yeah, background. A white you don't want. Some background you want like this. Transparency you want to take. Yes, you can control the transparency. This is one. This is general option. Title. You want title for this. Title. Click on this. I will write here. Total amount. Bold. I'll take text color blue. Center. Background color yellow. And I will close it. You can arrange, guys. And this is important. This is called call out value. This is called category label. If you want to arrange. Now call out value. Bold. I need 30 size. Color, blue color. This is a blue color. Display unit, how do you want to show? None means no format. Million format if you want a million. Billion format if you want billion. So whatever the format you want, you can take it. I just take none, no format. 2. Now category label. If you want it, you take it, otherwise on off. I'm taking title only, so label off. Or you want to take it, no problem. This is sum of amount. Good, right? Now second card visual, take it. I want average of, so not average. Yeah, average amount. Average amount. Just click add. First one visual. Second one data. Take amount. But what it is showing? Sum only. But I need average. How is it possible? Click on this. In this area, summarization. So this is the area. Summarization. Select whatever you want, average. But I want this format here, except title. Then go to this home menu. Go to this home menu. Format painter available. This is the one. Select. Click on it. And I will take title for it. Title is missing. Average amount. Next, what is the next step? You only tell me card visual, add fill, amount, but I don't want sum. Click on drop down, select max. But same format I want. Then highlight this, click this. And I will take the title here. Title, max spent. Now again, take card visual, add fill, amount, and here click on this, sum minimum. But the same format I want. Go here, click format and pen shop. So place here, place here. Everyone clear? And here maybe title is missing, so it's not showing. Min spent. Here I'm taking it. Title. I want to make 4 as a group. Possible, guys. Highlight 1, 2, 3, 4. Format. Here there is something called a group. It's a demo example, so I'm maintaining little speed. Kindly cooperate. Regular class, we go very slowly with good materials. Even the same practice material you will receive today, you can practice. Today you get the data. Today you get the practice material. See, this is the area. Second demo. This is a practice material also available. Step by step available, you can practice. Right, sir? These 4 as a group. No problem. Now I want to filter. Then go to slicer visual. Click on slicer. This is a visual. You need data again. Data. What is the data? Look, what is required? year you take. Ready. But I want to format. I don't like this. Format area. 1, 2, 3 format. Now size and style, your wish. I just want border, visual border on. Background, I don't want anything. Title I want. Title level I will take. Year. Bold. Title color pink. Background color this. 20 size title. And title, choose year. Select year. And I want the next one, title, okay. There are options here. Values, these are values. This is setting, and this is header, slicer header. I want to format. I don't want actually like this. Go to slicer setting, between taking. If you take tile means box, rectangle boxes, buttons. I need just vertical list, a list. I'll mention here. Header, this is slicer header, I don't want. I will go to values. Values level, I will take bold, 18 size. This formatting, you take care of it. I'll take blue. I just take slicer, data, that is important. Formatting your wish, whatever you want to do. And if you select 20, 20 data everywhere. 19, 19 data everywhere. Cancel. I'll copy paste. Now I'm explaining a new topic, how to copy a visual and paste it. Go to this, Control C, Control C, Control V. I want month here. Then remove in this area, field area, remove this, take data, month. Got clarity? Simply take a visual, filter it. But it is showing all the months. I need only 2 months. Then filter area, filter. This is a filter. Only 2 months if you want, filter. Go to this. July, August. Only 2 months. 19 August data. 20 July data. Right. Whatever you want, you can take it. Next, I want to compare my reasons. Which reason I spent more money? Then take a bar chart. This is a bar chart. Take bar chart. I expanding. Here, settings available. First visual, second settings. Y-axis. This is Y-axis. This is X-axis. Your wish, but based on the subjective knowledge, you need to take it. I want Y-axis level reason. X-axis level, what do you want to take? X-axis level amount. Reason-wise amount. Ready, sir? Petrol, 8,500. Books, 10,000. These two lowest. Highest, food, 1,34,000. And travel, 50,000. Okay? 1,000K. And this. 100K, yeah. 134K, 50K, etc. So top spending, bottom spending. And I want a border, general option, format level, only border. I don't want other. If you want to give a title, you can give a title to make it better understanding. What is this? Title on, and give a title here. Rather, title is available. Text blue, center. This I will take blue, bold. Next, I want to see percentages. Go to pie chart, pie visual. Look, legend level location. Legend level location. Value level amount. Location amount. And if you go and see, Hyderabad 40% money I spent. Visakhapatnam 40% money I spent. Vijayawada 15% money I spent. and blank 2%, and Siddipet 2%. And you can go to title. Title is sufficient. Blue title, center, orange. And as I don't have border, so next, map visual. I'm taking map visual. This is a map. This is a map. Now location, click on this location you mentioned. See locations. Sir, can I see it bigger? Click on focus mode. This is helpful to see it bigger. Even for these also available. Focus mode to see this bigger. Only the visual. Even here also available. See it bigger, focus mode. Now here locations it is showing, guys. Just locations, my business locations. Sorry, travel locations. But money spent I want to see. Come down, bubble size. These are the bubbles. So size, amount. Wherever more money I spent, bigger bubble. Wherever less money I spent, small bubble. Vishakhapatnam, more money I spent. Vijayawada money I spent. Hyderabad money I spent. Done. I want a visual border on. Now, if you select 19 travel locations, 19 locations and amount spending, 19 reason, 19 August, 19 August values. Not this is called slicer based filtering. Even you can click on this. Accordingly, remaining will filter, cross filtering. Even you can click on it. Remaining will filter, cross filtering. This is a Power BI beautiness. So you can generate visuals with normal filter you can take, or auto filter, cross filtering, cross highlighting also you can take. And in this area, you're able to bring the data, transform the data, secure, model, visualize. So this is called as document. What do you call it? So file menu, routine, always saving options in the left-hand side. File menu, save, it's a document. So the extension is PBIX. Word document saved with DOCX. Excel document saved with XLSX. PowerPoint document saved with PPTX. And Word Power BI document saved with PBIX. It's a document. And many people feel like a report, it's not a report. VinayTech first demo report. PBIX, I'm saving in a folder, save. Success. This document, from this document, only this information I want to move to cloud. So I want to move to user, not cloud, user. Then you require cloud or you require on-premises server, then only user can access. That means this report we need to move to cloud. How do we move? I already opened the cloud. You cannot practice this just for knowledge. This is your cloud. The same report you see. Cloud level, what happens? This is the report I prepared. Batches, some 5 p.m. August batch. First demo report I created. It's a document. Please see everyone. It's a document, 50 KB size available, the document. If you move to cloud, this is upload. What is this? Browse. My batches, 5 p.m. batch, under 5 p.m. batch, I saved it. I will place it. It will automatically divide into 3 parts. So Power BI demo report, first demo report, data area, dashboard area. Now you need to click on this. And there is an option called share. Or you want to schedule it, schedule. You want to send in PPT format, PDF format, Excel format the report, or QR code you want to generate. If customer want to place in company website level, yes, website level. All the options available only in the cloud level. So report development, we do it here, and while sharing, and you do it. This is what cloud operation and desktop and cloud operation. I believe you got clarity in this demo. Understood? Right. And I'm done with whatever I planned for today, guys. Today, this information. So as part of awareness, I explained cloud and all, but tomorrow onwards, regular classes will start from basics. Slowly, we accumulate the content. Easy, understandable. And in case you're not able to follow by that time due to a non-IT background or any other reasons, yes, you will get the video, open it one by one, you follow 100% satisfied, no doubt. And tomorrow onwards, regular classes at 7 o'clock from tomorrow. And you receive the videos, materials, everything as I said earlier. The course is suitable for technical people and techno-functional people, data scientist resources. And this is my training objective. And 60 days is the duration with in-detail classes. And you want to see the depth of Power BI, definitely I'm one of the best trainer in the market. You can join. Depth you want to learn. All topics you want to learn in Power BI. Power BI complete subject you want to see. Yes, no doubt I'm one of the best trainer in the market. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you're having sessions. Online, offline, both you have classes.